All right, I want to talk about the HTMR Black Friday deals that start right now and end or run through 11:25 midnight Central Standard Time, which is this Saturday. So you got from now till Saturday midnight for the following deals. And I will leave a link in the video description. It'll send you to my website that will discuss all these deals and have the links and the codes to where you can buy this stuff if you're interested. All right, so deal number one is $50 off the motorcycle masterclass. So this is a course that has 140 videos on maintaining and repairing your motorcycle, and it's taught by myself and Cody from Motorcycle MD. We both collaborated on it and put this together, so it's a huge resource if you're looking to learn or even gain some intermediate and advanced motorcycle repair skills. All right, so that link again is in the video description. Deal number two, $25 off the HTMR blast gun, wet or dry blast gun, the ceramic version only. The code is Black Friday 25 off. All right, deal number three is all my DIY vapor blaster plans are on sale, anywhere from 25 to 50 bucks off. And if you purchase the plans, I will email you a discount code for the HTMR blast gun, 50 bucks off. So again, now if you buy the plans, you also have to, the code for the blast gun $50 off will also expire Saturday. So if you buy the plans, you got to buy the gun by Saturday, but that's up to 100 bucks off if you're looking to build a vapor blaster this winter. All right, so the first one is Harbor Freight open loop, 25 off. Harbor Freight closed loop, 25 off. Wood 42 by 30, 50 off. The wood 60 by 40, 50 off. And then I created an all plans bundle, which has every single machine build available, which is 4 machines. Okay, so it's like 15 to 20 hours of video content. Everything I have on vapor blasting is in this plan bundle, and that plan bundle is 50 off. All right, so these are all the deals. The link is in the video description. It starts now. It ends Saturday at midnight Central Standard Time. And don't forget, I have other things in my web store like hoses and gloves and timers and all this stuff. I ship worldwide. And I think that's it for this video. So have a great Thanksgiving, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.